Welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make iPhone alarm vibrate only without sound. So if you want your iPhone alarm to only vibrate without sound, there are a few settings you need to toggle off and turn on your iPhone. Now to achieve this, all you need to do is open the clock application on your iPhone to set up the alarm, or click on the search button and search for clock. Once you search for the clock application, then you want to open the clock application on your iPhone just like this. Then this is what you're going to see first. This is the home page of the clock application or alarm application on your iPhone. Click on alarms and then tap on the plus icon on the top right. You want to set up the alarm, whose sound you want to mute and vibration you want to enable, and then set up everything complete. Once you are done with this, come down here and click on sound and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Make sure you click on none. Selecting none will disable sound on this particular alarm. Then hit the bar button. Again, click on sound. Now scroll up and click on haptics. Here, maybe you have any of this standard, then choose any of this. So you can see the alarm is only vibrating and there is no sound. So make sure you choose vibration only here, or come down to custom and choose your vibration pattern. This is my vibration pattern. You can also create a new vibration. Click on this, create your own vibration, tap to create vibration. So with this, stop, then hit the save button, alarm, vibration, just set alarm, save. Now each time you want to set alarm on your iPhone to only vibrate, just come here and click on alarm. So these are my custom alarm vibration. So once you're done with this, hit the bar button once and then hit the save button. Once you hit the save button, the alarm will be saved, and when next this alarm is to wake you or exercise activities, the alarm will only vibrate without sound. So this is how to make your iPhone alarm vibrate without sound on your iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quality videos just like this.